Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain what is meaning of check and what is meaning of checkmate. Your king is under check when it is attacked by some enemy piece. For understanding this, consider this position and assume it is black to move. If black move his rook to this square, then this rook is attacking our king. So our king is under check by this rook. Now, if your king is under check, then you can do one of the following three things. Either you can move your king to some safe square, or you can bring some your piece between attacking piece and your king, or you can capture the attacking piece. For example, in this situation, you can do all of the three things. For example, I can move my king to safe square, or I can bring my knight in between rook and king, or I can capture the rook. So you must have to do one of these three things when your king is under attack. Now friends, let us understand what is meaning of checkmate. To do checkmate enemy king is ultimate aim of playing chess. Your king is checkmate if it is under check and you cannot remove it from this check. For example, consider this position. In this position, assume that it is black's move, and if black's move is rook to this square, then white king is under attack by this black rook. So, uh, white king should have remove this check, but white king has no option. For example, king cannot come here or here because these are covered by black's king. Also, white king cannot come to this square or this square because these square are covered by rook. Also, you cannot bring any of your piece in between rook and your king. Also, you cannot capture this rook, so you have no option left. So your king is checkmate. This is called checkmate. Now friends, in the end of this video, I am going to give you few tasks. I will give you two positions in each of which black has to move. You have to find best move for black which will checkmate white's king. Tell me that move in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.